Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp DP quality problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search on WhatsApp. Then go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to turn the Wi-Fi off, and if it didn't work again, maybe you can just try to clear data. But be careful when you clear data, all the documents and all the databases and settings and the chats and the messages will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.